Welcome to Church Central Cloud. In this video, I will show you how to communicate with your church members through SMS using the platform. The SMS is configured in your communication dashboard. And to get to communication dashboard, click Engagement and then click Communication. So this opens your communication dashboard. And what you see here is different tabs. Okay. Now, there are templates that are SMS configured already. So you click on SMS templates, and then you will see various templates that has been configured. So that is SMS anniversary, birthday, counseling. So which reminds counseling appointment reminder. So where someone has booked appointment, it's reminded. Birthday greetings from the pastor, from the church to members whose birthday is due. This is configured already. And then you can edit the birthday message. Yeah, birthday message, you can edit it and add a bit more context to that. And that goes out to members whose birthday is due. In the system automatically remember that you already need to include birthday when you are adding your church members so that the system picks up the birthday and sends out. Okay. Now you have milestone, which is discipleship milestone for someone that's going to discipleship class. So the system would automatically congratulate the person for progressing through the milestone. Event reminders, so very important. If you have events already prepared in the church, this is where people church members are reminded, especially the new visitors are reminded, of the event in case they forget. Follow-up task reminder. So this is very important for those who are assigned to carry out some task activities in the church. The follow-up team, any department that has a task assigned. So this text message goes out to them. Giving thank you, very important to thank your church members when they give offering or when they give donation, tithe. So those who give through the system, they get thank you message from the pastor once that is gone through. Group meeting reminders, house fellowship reminders for the house fellowship team, ministerial assignment notification. Yeah, so this is just to remind ministers when they're assigned to carry out some ministry duty. New member welcome. So if you have new members join your church, the moment they enter their details in the system through the new members form, by either by scanning the QR code, there we get a welcome message on your phone from the pastor already configured here. Pledge payment reminder, very important. When people make pledges in the church, they should know, be reminded. So sometimes the church does not have the courage to start calling people and reminding them or asking them to pay pledge, but this system is configured to do that for you. So all you need to do is just to edit it, edit it to match what you're saying. But even if you don't edit it, think this already captures the outstanding amount, the campaign name, which means the pledge name, and the payment link for the person to pay online, and the church name. Yeah, so all that is here. The service minister reminder. So yeah, so this is important. If we have some guest ministers or people who have been configured to be ministers in certain events or church programs. This is configured for them. Visitors welcome, very powerful, very important. You should be using this to welcome visitors, grow your church as well. Very, very powerful. I like this one. I like this one myself. Volunteer assignment, very important. So when people volunteer to serve and then assign any activity in the church, this goes to them. and weekly sermon digest. This one, you cannot miss this one. This is powerful. So this is what summarizes the message that the pastor has uploaded in the resource page on the platform. So this system automatically summarize it and just encourage the members. So this is your SMS template that the system is configured to use. Now, if you want to turn off any of this SMS, all you need to do is to just check this button. Yeah, goes gray. Okay, so anyone you don't want, just turn it off. If you want to create new ones, just click this button here. Yeah, and then name the template, choose the category it goes in, the description, the message body, and then create new template. So that will add the template for you here. Now this system is automated. You don't need to do and it's automated. And I want to show you that the automation here. So you see the automation button. So when you click the automation button, then you can see when this is done. So this is immediately once your visitors come into the system, always use the visitors a QR code to enter your new visitors. Don't use papers anymore. Don't use slips. Use the visitors QR code to enter your new visitors. Okay, here. So you see it's sent out immediately to all visitors. Okay, visitors reminder is weekly. So this tells you how frequently this is checked. So and then that's it's already automated for you, so you don't really have to do anything. And then you can create your custom email if you want to send email immediately to someone. So just create, click that here and then select the member you want to send the email to, and that sends the email. So I hope this helps you to make sure that you are set up properly to start communicating with your church members, engaging them, enabling them to know that the church is fully aware of what they're going through, supporting them, informing them. It is how to grow your church very powerfully. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope that you continue to configure your church. Use this system. If you have any question, you can email us at support@churchcentralcloud.com. You can also drop your question through your inquiry tab on your main dashboard. Okay, thank you and God bless you.